Hi, welcome to this channel. Today I would like to show you some of the simple ways that you can use in a command prompt or PowerShell to navigate through your directories. First of all, I'm going to open my PowerShell. You can also use command prompt. I'll press Control R, Windows R, then write PowerShell, then click Enter. So once you're here, you can see my current directory is users. To check your current directory where you are, you can just click pwd. You can see I am in this path. I am in C, then users. To list all the folders or files that you have in that current directory, just write dir. Dir will list all the directories that you have in your current location. So let's assume that we want to navigate to this public directory. Just click on cd public cd public, then there you are. If you want to see all the files and directories that might be in that location, just click on dir or type dir, then you'll see the displayed directories. Let's assume that you want to go back to other directories. Just write cd space, then you click enter. This one will take you back. Then again, if you want to go back again, just click on cd, write cd space that enter to check your location pwd that way. So basically, this is how you can navigate in various directories using command prompt. Thank you for watching.